Hi everyone, today we're gonna make spicy shrimp noodles using Miracle Noodles. Miracle Noodles must be blanched with vinegar before cooking. Bring the water to boil, add vinegar, add the noodle, stir, and bring the water to boil again. Drain it out and rinse with cold water. Rinse it well. Slice the bell peppers. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Use 4 stems of Thai basil. Pick out the leaves. Use 8 peeled shrimp, devein. Slice 1 serrano pepper. If you don't want too spicy, just use 1/4 for mild. Medium is half of a pepper. Put 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil on high heat and add in the garlic. Stir until golden or slightly golden. Then add the shrimp. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir evenly. Add the veggies. Add 1 tablespoon of red boatfish sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of mushroom extract, 1 tablespoon of Monkfruit sweetener. Stir evenly. Add all of the basil leaves. Add the Miracle Noodles and stir evenly. Serve on a bed of iceberg lettuce. Enjoy everyone. This is a delicious dish.